Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To move the insertion mark cursor, you must have characters on the page, even if they are the non-printing or invisible characters like the ones the spacebar, tab, and enter keys create when you press them. If you double-click into the blank document area while using the print layout view, Word will fill in the blank area with these invisible characters to position your insertion point where you double-clicked. After you have characters on the page, there are many different ways to move the cursor around in Word. To use the mouse, just click where you want to place the cursor. You can also use the Home, End, Page Up, and Page Down keys on your keyboard, as well as the arrow keys on your keyboard to move through the text within your document. A list of available keyboard shortcuts appears at the end of the manual for this course.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.